Now, dear students, we have the system of units. It's a chapter number 2, 11th physics. Now, following topics in this video lecture, I will explain need for measurement, physical quantity, unit, and numerical value. These are the smallest terms, and first, I am giving the explanation of need of measurement. So, we know that physics is the branch of the science which deals with the nature and the natural phenomena, and if we want to say about any kind of the phenomena which is based or which is follow the physics law, so there should be authenticity in the statement. So we have the precise measurement and the explanation of the such phenomena. Okay. Now so many phenomena are there, and we have to be say about them authentically. So, in physics, for a precise description and explanation of such phenomenon, measurement of a quantity is needed. So, I am just taking one of the simplest example in front of you. An vehicle is moving on a road. So, following questions arise, like how much is the speed, velocity, and acceleration during motion. What distance, displacement, and time needed by an object to move from one place another place. So we have need observations, organize study on the basis of experiments. So the next term we have the physical quantity, and the simply meaning of the physical quantity is that any quantity which can be measured by the law of physics. And several examples we have of the physical quantity. So we can say any quantity which can be measured by law of physics. Examples: length, comma, mass, comma, time, distance, displacement, and velocity, etc. So many quantities which we are measuring, so these are we call the physical quantities. And examples of physical quantities are: first is fundamental physical quantity. Second, derived physical quantities. These are the two general parts of the physical quantities we have. Now the another term we have the unit and measurement, not measurement, it's a numerical value. Numerical value. So what actually the unit? Whenever we are just measuring any physical quantity by the help of the standard measurement, that measurement having the same kind of the nature as the quantity has, it is called the unit. So in the simply manner we are just explaining the. So what actually I have told, the chosen standard of measurement of a physical quantity which having the same type of the nature. Otherwise the measurement can't be the helpful, as that the quantity is called the unit. Okay. In the suitable unit system we have to be measure the quantity where the unit contains the number of the times, where the unit contains the number of the times in quantity is called the numerical value. Now we are just taking one of the simplest example. We are just measuring length between AB portion by help of meter scale. Then I am just putting the. Now I want to calculate the length between the portion AB by the help of the meter scale. So I am just putting the scale 2 times between the AB, and the meter scale having the unit system that is called the meter. So the measurement of the length AB between 2 times of the meter. So I am just getting the answer, that is the length measured by the 2 meter. So what actually the 2 is here? 2 is the numerical value and meter is called the unit, which repeated 2 times. So any physical quantity Q can be represented in the term of the two part N and U, where the N is called the numerical value and U is called the unit. Now similar, we are just using the concept Q is the physical quantity which can be measured in the one unit system, that is called the N1U1, and in the another unit system that is called the N2U2. Suppose we are using the one of the interesting fact about the quantity, the magnitude of physical quantity remains unchanged in two different systems. If N1 greater than N2, then we can say that U1 less than U2. So this is the basic explanation of the term that is unit and the numerical value. Now thank you.